Hello viewers, did you know in order to crack the CELPIP or IELTS you need to have a range of lexical resources, that is vocabulary. In today's video exactly I'm going to show you how these vocabulary will help you to crack the CELPIP or the IELTS with CLB 9 or 10. Let's see what we have here. Let me share the screen. Did you know the meaning of mundane? Ordinary, disseminate, spread, belligerent, aggressive, futile, useless, befitting, appropriate, covert, secret, acquire, obtain. So viewers, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Sridhar Santhanam. I am the founder of CELPIP Academy. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side.